Pretty ominous back here. It's the old bridge there. It goes under the train tracks, which are up there. You can kind of hear the sound of a train maybe somewhere down the line. You can hear the vibration of it. Emerald ash borer. Looks to me. We're on our way back to see 3 recognizable items. See if they're still here. Thank you for watching the video from yesterday. I'm trying to get out more. You know, we're all dying to get out. But I've been here numerous times now. 5 or 6 or 7, I don't know, I've lost count, but the last time was February 4th of 2019 when I did the video that started the 100-day video challenge. I get so lost in here. Anyway, I went back and looked at some analytics on that video. Over the past, since February 4th of 2019 to today, I made 72 cents on that video. The first video in the 100-day video challenge. I know I'm already lost. Anyway, but it had 323 views. I think I'm where I need to be. Anyway, it's crazy. Time really does become kind of tangible, and it's already been so long. I mean, not really that long, but it's been a while since I've been back here. Oh yeah, yeah. Maybe it's for good reason. All right, here we go. There it is. There's the Plymouth, 1959. I just rewatched that video I did earlier today. Kind of crazy to be back. This is like the worst hill. It really is. Very treacherous. There we are. Yep. There it is. There's the shot. Not an easy one. Not an easy one. Oh man. A big groundhog hole. Right there. Yeah. Jesus. No tire on that side. Pretty much toast. Pretty rough. Yep. There's a seat belt. Right in there. Time to see the other two. There's that one. I tell you, eerie place down here. Yep, there's the 39 Packard right there. Ah, please. There we go. It's been pretty much decimated. They've cut out the roof as of, well, even before 2019. This is the car in 2015 I sliced my hand on. Blood was dripping everywhere. Of course you didn't see that, but thank God well, I didn't have a tetanus shot, but yeah, thank God nothing happened to that. Crazy. Very crazy. You can see the front wheel. Well, I'll get around here real quick. I'm on a tree. It's kind of nuts. Don't be alarmed. This does look like a brain, but those of you who may be used to this area know that what that is. There it is. Oh yeah. The front end of it. There's your engine. Pretty cool. Look at the spark plugs there, Marty. There's your clutch and your brake pedal and your, well, the gas is pretty much gone. There's a tube in there, right there. There's your steering wheel, your shifter. Yeah, what a trip. Kind of cool to come back. Kind of cool to do this. Got one more to check out. See if it's still there. There's a very murky swamp. Very unpleasant. And the tree branches are creaking up there as well. There's an article posted, I think back in 2018, after I had been here. I think in the summer of 18 I did take some photos. I didn't do video though. But they said there was actually reports that there was a mountain lion that somebody had as a pet loose down here. Man, I turned white as a ghost, guys. White as a ghost. Is this I mean, I actually believed it. Now it was obviously just a joke, but when I read it I got a little bit panicky. Alright, so we saw the 39 Packard, the 59 Plymouth, and here is the 63 Ford coming up on it. Now these trees are damaged. Yeah, a lot of emerald ash down here. Here it is, as of April 29th, 2020. Wow. It is crushed beyond recognition. It's a 6304 Galaxy. By God. It's the worst it's ever been. More trees have fallen on it. Compare this to the first time back in 2015. And I remember when I was a little boy, about maybe 9 years old, me and my parents were down here taking a walk. I remember seeing these cars kind of in the distance back then. Found it kind of odd. But man, this one's blown out bad. I think there's a tree, a red squirrel or chipmunk. Anyway, man, it's just crazy what time does. It's hardly recognizable. Doors, I mean, that just one little touch, it's done. Pretty much all these trees have just cascaded on the roof and the back trunk. It is so bad. Deeply, deeply decayed and still. That grill isn't pretty, well, it's not intact. It is there though. Got the tire. Pretty much it. Still like that Plymouth over there, remnants of the seat belts. Let me actually quickly take you off, dang it, off the tripod here. I want to get in to the dash. Can't do that with the tripod on, but look at that, you can actually see the dash. And this is the starter and speedometer. It's all there. It's always so fascinating to me. There's underneath that. So yeah, get back on the tripod. Yeah. All right. We came here to see what we wanted to. That's all that's left. Sad car. 3 cars down here. Now I'll be damned. Is there another one over there that I've never seen? I just happened to look behind me. There's a tire right there. That looks like it's off of a Plymouth of some type. Okay, there's some more wheels. We've seen this area before, but I just noticed another vehicle. I'll be damned. There is. Shit. Huh. Holy crap. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. After all these years, I haven't seen this vehicle. What the hell even is it? Look at the tire. And look at the steering wheel. That is, wow, I can't believe it. Some kind of truck. Some kind of truck. There's your engine. Right there. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, this is awesome. This is some kind of truck. My mind has kind of went blank. Oh, that's a 12-cylinder. That's a 12-cylinder there. That's what I was trying to get at, yes. One of the old straights. That's a straight, like the long straight engine. Oh, and look at the rim. There's like a rotor right in there. Another tire. I mean, this is pure art. This is just stunning. Unbelievable. Look at the years of, I mean, probably 100 years of decay. Well, this truck is not as old as 1920, but I would say maybe 80. It could be as old as 80 years old. This is a 30s vehicle here. This is just so awesome. God almighty. My God. There's the engine. I know this video's starting to run long. I'm just kind of letting it roll. That steering wheel. Guys, I think there may be another vehicle too. I remember like the cab of a truck, but this is, wow. Too cool. Too freaking cool. This really is a captivating location. Look at the tree that grew right through that rim. That is insane. Holy shit. I just love stuff like this. That is so crazy. Look at that. Oh man, there's a lot of old rims around here. Very, very cool. All right, let me see if I can find that one more cab. I haven't been here in late April, early May before. I'm seeing a lot. Like another vehicle. My good God, another truck. This is nuts. There's another truck right there. You see it? Right in here. So, God, here's a frame. Holy mackerel. I'll be damned. Another one that I didn't know about. After all this time. Hi, yi, yi. This is pretty overgrown right in here. There's your wheel. Your engine. Damn. Wow, this video's taking on a new turn. I thought we were just gonna come back down here to check out the 3 cars we knew about. We've already found 2 more. Holy shit. There's a front bumper on that truck. Kinda can see it. No identifiers at all. There's your engine in there. And your tire and your wheel. Oh man. This has been decades and decades. A quiet, still decay. And we're pretty much standing on the truck frame right here. My God. You have to be here, I'm telling you. All right. Endless surprises. Like some really pretty nasty, holy mackerel, pretty disgusting cushions. Jesus, let me get in here to show them. Oh boy, look at those. Holy crap. Look at those cushions right there. Look at that one. Holy shit. 2 from cars, certainly. Certainly back seats. That's what they are. Another cushion right there. And some more, one right there, one right there. This is verging on pretty nuts at this point. I know we've been back in here before. Check out those videos. Been search historic car graveyard, historic car ruins, classic car cemetery. This is just repulsive. I mean, it really is bad. It kind of makes you a little sick. Holy crap. I mean, this is just fucking bad, guys. Just look at this fucking god, jeez. That is just nuts. I mean, it really is bad. It's shocking. Very, very bad. Look at down here. I mean, this is just pretty bad. Wow. Just very, very bad. That guy. The old vehicles are fascinating. That is just despicable. And there's so much filth all the way down and through here. Holy mackerel. Just walked by another just huge, vast gully of filth. This is obviously a former landfill. And oh, now this is coming back to me. I forgot about this one. Forgot about this one. Have not been back to see this one for a while. Again, who knows what kind of car that is, but here's an axle assembly right there. Take a look here. And then there we got this one. Yeah, I forgot about that. So far gone. This very, very disturbing, very, very filthy landscape here. That vehicle's got to be from the 30s. I'm about ready to get the hell out of here. There's a bunch of cloth and tires and filth and trash all scattered everywhere in here. My good God. And again, I mean, I've made quite a few videos here, but it's been a little bit. I haven't actually come back and down in here for a while. There's a tire off in the distance. I'm gonna walk up here and I'm gonna turn around and cut it. Make my way the hell out of here. Who would ever wanna take a hike down here is beyond me. And of course that's why there's just no people down here. Maybe some deer. Unless they're people. Yeah, I think they're deer. Look at those 2 tires, 3 tires. Alright, oh, there's just tires all through this mess of swamp. Tires just scattered through. I'm over it. I'm over it. Get the hell out of here. Getting the hell out of Dodge. Mosey my way on the hell out of here. And remember, please stop asking me. I don't give out location information. If you know me personally, I'll tell you, or if you know where it is, you already know where it is. So, really tired of that. And really tired of people telling me what you should or should not have done. Because I suggest, bucko, that if you want to go do something I didn't do in the video, go do it yourself. Alright? I mean, yeah, I could have stayed down here for another 2 hours. God knows why I would have wanted to. This is very, very unpleasant to be down here. It's cool, but it's a lingering cool. Like, once you see it and absorb it, you want to get the hell out. It's not pleasant. It's obviously a former landfill, I mean, a dump where they dumped a lot of components. There is a junkyard right backed up behind this, but obviously there's been definitely use in this area of some kind of disposal site for industrial waste, plastics. A lot of evidence of that in car parts. So anyway, I don't know who in the hell would want to take a hike down here. I really don't. So at least you could come along with me and see it. Thank you for watching. Please donate to my PayPal link below. Go to Shabear 1000, SHABEAR 1000, and Monkey 1000 as well, and Miss Lottie Da, and Nothing Edited. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back with you before long. I'm staying close to home for now, but I do have 2 other locations that I really want to film. I kind of need somebody to come with me on those. I'm not really comfortable going by myself, just a little bit leery, so we'll see down the road. I mean, we're still under a stay-at-home order, so anyway, have a good rest of your day. Peace out.